Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my at-home DIY beauty maintenance. And I'm gonna start off with relaxing my hair. I'm gonna do a ponytail, so I want my hair to be like super slick and like flat. So this is how I'm just going with the relaxer. I'm just honestly winging it. I'm not like super professional at like relaxing my hair, and this relaxer was burning, so I washed it off. But while my hair was still drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a charcoal mask just to give my skin that fresh revamp. And once it dries off, I'm going to peel it off and do a little bit of skincare, but I'm gonna do that off camera because it's just another whole thing happening. And once I'm done with that, I went ahead in first with the hair conditioner, and then I put in the heat protector, and I'm going to dry my hair using a hair dryer. I got this one from Clicks, and I'm going to go ahead now and just straighten my hair. I'm using two different straightener, the smaller ones for my roots and the bigger one for the rest of my hair, just so that I can get this slick pony thingy. And I'm going to tie my hair, use a gel, and then blow dry, and then use this spray. This is a holding spray that I see most of the girlies use for their wig, so it pretty much works amazingly, and I love it. It's a staple with like my hair products. So I'm gonna pat my hair, basically just repeat the same step. Pat my hair, put gel, comb it, and then brush it, and then put the spray again and just brush, basically repeating the same thing. If I see that there's a bit of like knots on my hair, then I'm going to go ahead with a comb and just brush them off, and then repeat the same step again. As you guys can see, my hair is getting smooth, and I'm gonna retie my hair again just so I make it even more flat. And I'm gonna use a blow dryer just to dry off all of the products that I'm using, so that it doesn't remain wet. And by the way, this is actually my first time trying this technique of straightening my hair and then just following this whole step. I have seen like the American girls do this method, so I thought I should try it out, and I was so amazed. I was so impressed at how smooth, like so smooth my hair turned out. Like the ponytail was so smooth, everything just looked really nice and cohesive. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a ponytail and just a quick cute hairstyles, and I've got like so many compliments on this hairstyle, you guys. People were complimenting me that it looks so neat and everything. So I'm gonna tie it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I usually just use this type of razor to clean up my eyebrows. The thing I was applying is just basically water and soap, so that I have a smooth surface to shape my eyebrows. Last time I went to this other salon to get like my eyebrows shaped, and it was done by a guy, and I felt like he did it the first time in his life. He doesn't like usually do this. Oh my god, the shape he gave me, it was so terrible. I was literally like so embarrassed. Anyway, I'm going to wipe off everything on my face just to remove any extra products, and I'm also gonna wipe off my eyelashes to prepare them for the eyelash extensions I'm gonna put. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead with eye drops just to brighten my eyes, because sometimes they tend to look a bit like yellowish. Moving on to my favorite part, it's eyelash cluster extensions, cluster lashes. So I am using bonding glue. Do not use it. But yeah, this is what I use, and usually they last me for like a week, sometimes longer than that, but I usually prefer to keep them for a week, just because of, like, with bonding glue, it tends to get like sticky, and when you wear makeup all the time, some makeup residue remains on the eyelashes. So I don't have any specific way I do my eyelashes, and I even feel like the ones I bought have the same length. So I did end up cutting them because I felt like they were too long. So I cut them up, and I'm going to like squeeze them so that they dry up. I also forgot earlier to put like sheen spray on my hair, and that's what I did. So moving on to the next thing, it's my nails. The first thing that I apply is the cuticle softener, and I'm going to go ahead and clean my nails. So this is just basically pushing back my cuticles, cleaning my cuticles, filing. I'm gonna use this filer just to clean up my nails, and then I'm gonna use another smaller ones, I'm not sure what is it called, just to get the smoother surface. So I have been doing my own nails for such a very long time, just because of nails are like super expensive. So this is what I usually do, and I'm going to use this glue to apply the tips only at the edge of my nails and remove the remaining glue. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to file my nails to the shape that I like, which is square. I usually go for like square shape, and I'm gonna clean off the dust, and after that I'm gonna go ahead with the base coat. I'm gonna go ahead with this base coat and put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Sometimes I will do even longer. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go with this builder gel. Was my first time doing builder gel. Oh my god, you guys, I almost gave myself an allergy. What do they call it? Contact dementia or something? I forgot the name. But the gel was not fully dry, and that was scary. I removed the nails after a week, but anyway, I'm fine now. So I'm gonna put cuticle oil just to remove the dryness, and that is it, you guys. I loved how these nails turned out. It's just unfortunate that I didn't keep them longer. And this is the final look. Hair is done, nails are done, eyebrows are done, eyelashes are done. Let me know if you have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love you. Bye.